Do you want to grow your business using social media? Yes. I have a secret tips and tricks how to create all a social media post using a simple website like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, all social media posts you want to create. Just one click, then your posts are ready. Then you are reach millions people and growing your business. It's absolutely free. So my name is Kalam. You are watching my YouTube video. If you are new viewers, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. First, I'm going to gravitywrite.com. This link I will attach in description below. Then click here. Then you can see this is a dashboard. So here are lots of AI assistant here. If you want to create a lots of opportunity for you writing, so here are the lots advertising tool and ad copy, blog tool, copywriting, e-commerce, email writing, image prompt, music, lots of tool here. It's absolutely free plan here. So I want to grow content package. Then I'm going to social media post. Now example of I going to Facebook post. Then just click here. Then I need to put some information about my business. I want to paste a prompt. My company name is Mr. Kalam. Then Mr. Kalam and my company SEO related. I will provide all SEO service for growing your businesses. And my company name is Mr. Kalam. So I just save and continue. Just click here. Then you need to wait a few seconds. I'm waiting few seconds. Then I want to create a Instagram post and LinkedIn post, Facebook post. All are just I'm going to LinkedIn post. Then I delete my old post. Then I paste my prompt. Just regenerate here. So you can see this tool write engaging SEO post for my SEO agency. You can see here, if you want to write this post, you need at least 10 to 20 minutes. But if you use this tool, you don't need any 20 or 30 minutes. Just one click, then your posts are ready. I want to create Instagram post. Just click here for Instagram post, then your posts are ready for view and for posting. So Pinterest, I'm going to Pinterest post. So just create content. Just wow, this every post are different each by each, because it's a really help to grow your businesses and promote your online product and services. So here's the lots of opportunity for you. So this link I will attach in description below. Then click here. So if you are new viewers in the channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on a notification bell.